Hey everyone, this is a very interesting feature that we've added on our attachment column type in Stackby. This one is for all the creators and designers working on the Stackby platform. Now you can add a comment on every single attachment in Stackby. So let's see how it works. So if there is an attachment that you want to open up, so you will see, there is an attachment and there is a column, there is a comment here. So I can add we change this thumbnail to one without the lake. So I can essentially add comments and on individual attachments, within the Stackby platform, and you will see you can basically get to see all these comments on individual comment tab. So you will see that this particular comment is visible in the comments tab with that particular thumbnail attached. So this will also give you more context to your design team or to your creatives team, where if you want to get certain changes done on a particular image or a document, or if you have a commentary on a particular document, you can easily add them here. Let's say if you want to change the font or change the colors or change the background, you can basically add those contextual comments and link it to your particular attachment.